Hello, my lovely students. Welcome to my channel, The Learning Lodge. And this is my second video. And in this video, we are going to learn about what is soil and what are its types. So let's start the video. Video we are going to learn about soils and its types. It is my second video. I hope you liked my first video. Let's start with the video. There are 6 kinds of soils: red soils, also known as alphy-soils; laterite soil, also known as ulti-soils; oxy-soils; black soil, which is known as vertisols; alluvial soil known as antisols, eridosols, and some other kinds of soils like molysols, histosols, and spodosols. So here, starting with our very first soil, which is red soil. It comprises of 2 kinds of soils: alphy-soils and ulti-soils. These soils contain 107 million hectare area in India, mainly seen in states like Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Assam, and Northeast. 3 things important for this soil is depth, drainage, and its fairly good reserve of nutrients. This soil is rich in iron and magnesium content, but poor in nitrogen, potassium due to its excessive leaching. P fixation capacity is good in this crop because of its calonitic clay and succedo oxides. Sulfur and zinc deficiency is seen in seeded crops like grapes, papaya, banana, coconut, and cucumber. Boron deficiency in light textured soil is also seen because of heavy rains in the soil. Our next soil is ultisols. Ultisols is potential of production of a potential for fruit production, mainly districts like Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, coastal Karnataka, Kerala contain laterite soil or ultisols. These soil have deep-rooted system, but they are deficient in boron and molybdenum in crops like mango. Low content in NPK, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, boron, and molybdenum is also seen in the crop. Our next soil is oxysoils. It is highly weathered mineral soil which is rich in succedo oxides. This soil is suited for fruit crops. It is low nutrient reserve and with high exchangeable aluminium in the soil. States like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Konkan area of Maharashtra, coastal Karnataka, where rain is high, these soils are found. P fixation and acidic soils, for which application of rock phosphate is advised. Liming is done in this soil for low calcium and magnesium content, which is due to excessive leaching in the soil. Our next soil is vertisols or black soil. These are black cotton soil with more than 30% clay soil profile. Areas like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, northern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Karnataka have this kind of soil. In India, there is 72.9 million hectares share for vertisols. The soil is in zinc deficiency. Calcium and magnesium are in neutral content with acidic pH range. Boron and molybdenum are sufficient quantity. Boron management mainly focuses on nitrogen and phosphorus nutrition in the crop. Iron, zinc, magnesium are problematic for vertisols. Next crop is antisols or alluvial soil. Alluvial soil, these are known as transported soils and mainly found in Indo-Gangetic plains and alluvial belts without soil profile and sandy soils of course. That's why they are known as transported soils, as the soils with water are settled in the river belts and which make this alluvial soil highly rich in fertility and low to medium in organic matter content. Last but not the least, we come with aridosols, which are found in arid tracts of Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Haryana. These soils are mainly rich in salts, and boron toxicity is noticed on aridosols. Insectisols, which are similar to aridosols, are noticed in these agroclimatic regions of Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Haryana. Now we learn about nutrient supplying capacity of soils in different crops. Starting with mango, inadequate fertilizers use in mango leads to deficiency in nutrients like NPK, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, and boron, which result in poor yield and poor quality of fruit. Zinc deficiency are also observed in districts like Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh and Anand in Gujarat. Next crop is banana. Banana is high in potassium, which are applications in vertisols. Sulfur deficiency is caused due to fertilizers, and also we know that banana is a calcifuge crop, that is, it grows in Kerala with pH range of 4.5 to 6.8, which is acidic in nature. Magnesium deficiency is also seen in alfisols and altisols crops, soils in Kerala and Karnataka regions. Potassium induced in magnesium deficiency is seen in Maharashtrian soil, and Maharashtrian soils are vertisols with high concentration of calcium carbonate, which causes production of 58 tons per hectare crops, that is banana crop. Next crop is citrus. Zinc deficiency is seen in citrus like in acid lime and mandarians. Iron and magnesium deficiency is high in pH soils in citrus. In apple crop, nitrogen, potassium, calcium, and zinc deficiency is seen. And calcium deficiency, mainly in calcium deficiency, it is good for keeping quality in cold storage. The variety of apple Royal Delusa, it show low nitrogen and zinc levels with 1.15% plus 9 and 19 ppm respectively. Apples grown in Kulu Valley and Kashmir, they are poor in zinc, and boron deficiency is also seen, and it is caused due to leaching. Apples of UP Hills, they are poor in phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Our next crop, guava, which is produced on alluvial soils of Bihar, 20.8%. In UP, 14.2%, in Maharashtra, 12.0%, and in Karnataka, 11.0%. The crop tolerates salinity and sodicity but can't tolerate acidity. It shows efficiency of calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. Leaf bronzing is seen in guava, which is due to low AL toxicity in low pH. Liming and supplementing phosphorus and zinc improve production of guava crop. Low soil fertility, low organic matter, and zinc deficiency is seen in guava crop. Now grape. Sangli, and Solapur district of Maharashtra give best quality of guavas. Vertisol soils of Pune and Nasik with medium to shallow black soils and are calcareous in nature. And due to high pH and calcareous nature, the availability of iron, magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, and sulfur is reduced. In Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, well-drained soil and with high temperature is seen. Karnataka soils are alphy soils, and Tamil Nadu the soils are anti soils with salinity at low level. Good drainage, free from salinity, low chloride, and more important for the crop. In Maharashtra and North Karnataka, the crop develops in soil salinity, calcium is constant, and with poor drainage, high availability of nitrogen, sulfur, iron, magnesium, and zinc. But South Karnataka crop are low in atmospheric temperature, low in pH, high in nitrogen, zinc, low in phosphorus, magnesium, and boron. They limit the yield and quality of the grapefruit. Next crop is pineapple. It is grown in alluvial soil of Assam 21.5%, West Bengal and 15.9%, alphy soils and oxy soils of Kerala 10%. It grows in acidic soils with low fertility, and it responds to nitrogen, potassium, and zinc application. Last crop is lychee, which is grown in alluvial soil of Bihar, Tripura, UP, Assam, West Bengal, coupled with tropical climate. The crop tolerates low soil moisture and salinity. Next, we learn about acidic soils and saline and sodic soils. Acidic soil in India, 50 per million hectare land is acidic with pH less than 6.5. Crops like pineapple and citrus come well on these acidic soils. Limitations for acidic soils are it's low in pH, low CEC content, low bases, calcium, magnesium, and potassium are low. Toxicity of Al and magnesium are also seen. Liming is done for efficient fertilizer use in acidic soils. Rock phosphate is also used for potassium and calcium. And magnesium application is necessary for crops like papaya, grapes, and banana. In last, saline and sodic soils. Excessive soluble salts with high exchangeable sodium, ESP greater than 15% and pH greater than 8.5%. In India, 8.5 million hectare land is sodic, in which 27% of cultivated area is threatened with potential salinity hazards. And it is mainly due to aridity, parent material, poor quality of groundwater table, and absence of drainage, and due to seawater induction. Crops like date palm, jamun, bear can tolerate more than 16 DSM salinity. Management for these soils are application of organic matter, nutrients like NPK, iron, and zinc. Also, ammonium sulfate is used in place of calcium ammonium nitrate because of its acid forming quality. Then, chloride containing fertilizers are toxic to grapes and mango crops and some other crops. Sulfate of potash is used to supply potassium. So, these are the managements. And this was it for the video, and in the next video we'll learn about orchard planning and management. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and spread your love. Thank you.